Here's a video for when you get a new drone, what not to do. I followed all the directions for the most part, except for me doing this.
I don't know.
What do I do? Just fly it?
Yeah.
But it beeped. Like, you got to program this thing by, beeps and clicks. What I look like? R2-D2? Like, I don't know. It all worked. And the thing went up. Bye-bye. How many seconds of fun?
Maybe 10.
I'm going to push maybe 20. No, actually 10 seconds of fun and then 10 seconds of going, oh man, we're losing this thing. Bye-bye. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe if you like some of our other stuff. We're going to maybe get a better drone. That maybe I don't have to be R2-D2 to figure out if the thing's programmed.
And this right here, garbage. They don't work.
Catch you next time.
Oh, jeez.
Uh-oh. I'll tell you one thing, it's not calibrated. Filming. Can't get it to go anywhere. It's just going up. Oh, we're gonna lose this thing. Ah! We need to get it back. It is definitely not calibrated.
What do you mean?
It's going backwards.
Oh no.
Oh, we're gonna lose it.
Then go the opposite way.
Oh no! No!
What did you do?
Uh-oh. We just lost $100. How do I get it back?
You can drive it.
It's just like not going anywhere. It's just going the wrong way.
Then go backwards. Go backwards if it's not the right way. Where did it go?
Way over there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's gone. Ew.
I don't think it's in the sky anymore.
That's $100 out the window. Darn it. I have no idea where it is. It just kept going and went. All right, we're gonna calibrate this bad girl, and then we're gonna set her up in the blue yonder. See if we can get any good pictures of our food plot. A little more complicated than I thought, but we'll give it a whirl.
The lights flashed. Oh, now it's on.
Now it's on. I had to hold it. Now it's flashing.
Okay.
Booyah! UFO style.
It's gonna
Let's see.
flying at us.
Press and hold the geomagnetic calibration button. Ready?
I think you need to pair it again.
Oh, I never paired it. Oh, you're
No,
right.
it was off.
Oops.
Oopsie.
So it's up. On your control. Da-da-da-da-da-da. She's on.
Jeez, what is that?
Oh, it's beeping.
Yeah.
Okay, she's paired now. Now we got to do this.
Yeah.
No!
What did you do?
Uh-oh. We just lost $100. How do I get it back? Go on. Well, this is going to be like finding a needle in a haystack. I think it's definitely gone. It's probably hung up in a tree somewhere. I followed the instructions.
Yeah, we did everything it said.
And then it just took off and it just went up and backwards. It didn't matter what I did. It would not come back. Although I did throw the instructions on the ground. I don't know. We're going to walk through the woods, see if we can find it and sit in a tree or something. But $100 right out the the window. Catch you next time.